Hello there, and a very warm welcome to another video from Change Tips and Tools. It's me again, Phil, the Brummie that hails from Birmingham, England. And today I'm going to introduce you to the start of a new mini training series where I'm going to continue the theme of Power Query and combining multiple files from multiple sources. However, based on your requests, I'm going to perform the data visualization, this time not through Excel, but with Power BI. Let me show you what we will create together step by step. So, through the Power BI desktop application, I have created this budget versus actuals dashboard, replicating what we did in Excel, but with some differences. If you go to the transformation ribbon, transformation data, you can see a familiar Power Query window where I've pulled the data from multiple Excel files from multiple locations. Now, check out the budget versus actuals data series where I show you how to create the data visualization through Excel, and the link to that playlist can be found in the description. So if I close that down, here you can see where I've created the relationships to drive the dashboards in my Power BI report. And once I've built my report, I can publish that report to my workspace where I can share with my colleagues through Teams or interactive PowerPoints, or via a link taking them directly to this interactive dashboard. And if I go to that dashboard in my workspace, here you can see that interactive dashboard. And if I change, you can see the data changes as I move it with the slicers. And as I make selections in here, the dashboard interacts accordingly. And even if I select something here within it filters the views accordingly and the information up here as well. And again, if I want to, I can right click on this program and I can drill through to the projects, and I can see the project breakdown detail as well with that information. And as you can see here, we've only got actuals going up to March. And again, in the same way that we did with that budget versus actual data series, let's look at how we can add the April actuals to this report. So let's go to the file location and let's move the April actuals here. So let's take the first location one, April actuals. So if I copy that, and then if I go back to paste that into location one, so if I paste that, so there's the April view. And again, if I then go to the location 2 actuals, take that and I copy it, and again in location 2, let me just paste that. If I then go to my desktop first, and I will then need to refresh the data to include the April actuals. So if I refresh it, it then will run the Power Query and it will pull that data in via Power Query. And there you go. So now I've got my April actuals. Then all I've got to do is republish it. It will ask me to save it. Select my workspace, select and say replace that report. It will then republish that report to my workspace online. If I go to my workspace and simply just refresh my view on my web browser, and there you go. I've now got my actuals there as well. So that's how you refresh the report in our workspace. So if you want to see how to create this dashboard for yourself, please click on the like, subscribe, and smash that notifications button so you don't miss the first video in this training series, which is coming soon. And as always, I wish you a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Please take care, and I look forward to seeing you in this new training series on change, tips and tools. Bye bye now.